Hello everyone, welcome to Cash 24 YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about one old paying apps. This is crypto apps. The coin name is sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is still paying every users. Everyone worked the sweatcoin long ago. In this video, I will discuss again sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is very popular. Just walking in the path and earn money freely. This is free money making apps. How to work Sweetcoin? Many people don't know how to work the Sweetcoin, and Sweetcoin has a lots of update in the wallet section. Sweet wallet. Okay, look the Sweetcoin inside. Look my inside 3275 steps. Daily reward. Okay, claim now and add. Same way, claim Sweetcoin unlock, and third way. Video purpose I will don't show the to this. Previous work. Boost section. Open the boost. Just work 10 minutes or 20 minutes and earn more. How much exercise should you get? Okay, go back. Reward. Monthly super draw. You can join the some offer and buy the ticket with the sweet coin. I think no need to this type of offer accepted. You can buy some purchase. You can donate and shop in this app. No need to this. This is earning system. Okay, I will show how to collect the sweet coin in the wallet. You are working for crypto. This section. Okay, open sweet wallet. Already I will tell update. Total balance 42 sweet coin already collected. Claimable sweet coin. Okay, I get 50% off. Just was one ads. Otherwise, cut something. Sweet 1.17. No need to this. Okay, just was the ad. Okay, now Congrats, your physical activity earned you. Loading now. Okay, already claimed 2.08. Back to the home. 0. You can get more spin just one time. Four thousand steps already got, and claim it. Winning added. Look at this. Now, how to withdraw the money? Firstly, go to portfolio. Already increased my USD, and how to withdraw money? First of all, for you have to near protocol. Near you have to keep some near 0.03 or 0.04. How to collect the near? First, you can collect the near from Bybit or get.io. Two exchanges you can collect the near, and so you can withdraw the sweet coin. Okay, now I will show the how to withdraw the money. Go to the buy, go to asset, already 0.22 sweet coin collected. Now deposit crypto, and sweet coin is available history. Near, select the near protocol. Please select the near protocol, and copy successful. Copy the sweet coin address and go back sweet wallet. Okay, transfer available balance. Sent username or address. Just keep the address. Okay, start continue button. Look at this, available balance is 24.63 available. Just you have to collect this others balance, keep your wallet, and every week increase your available balance. 40.63. You can max this. and preview fee 1.36 total. Look at this, already sending the sweet coin in my Bybit wallet. Congratulations, sweet sent successfully. Okay, go to the buy. Here is the deposit completed sweet coin. Look at the history, finance history. From the right side corner, all transaction history, deposit history is um, 2024 7 17, and look at the time, just 24.63 max balance, and last and previous time I deposit something 24.6.17, just 1 month. Okay, everyone, best of luck. Work the sweet coin just freely. No need to investment anything. Just work the sweet coin. Allah Hafiz. If any question, please comments below in the video description.